Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and play Minecraft Java Edition on your MacBook. So if you're using any kind of Mac like a MacBook, iMac or anything Apple and you've been wondering how to get Minecraft Java, this one's for you. First of all, huge thanks for all the love on my last GTA 5 video. Seriously, you guys are amazing and it means a lot. Because of that support, I decided to make this next video on Minecraft one of the most requested topics lately. Now let's talk real quick about the biggest question. Minecraft is not free. All versions are paid, no matter which one you pick. I actually have all three: the Play Store version, the Pocket Edition from the App Store, and the Java Edition we're using in this video. Java costs a bit more, yeah, but trust me, it gives you way more features, mods, and a full experience. It's totally worth it if you're serious about the game. Oh, and before we jump in, just a quick heads up, I also run a gaming channel. Links in the comment section, so check it out and hit that subscribe if you vibe with the content. Alright, no more delay, let's get straight into how to download and play Minecraft Java Edition on your Mac. Let's begin. Alright, first of all, you have to open the Safari browser on your Mac. Then go to Google, and in the search bar, just type Minecraft Java Edition. Now look for the official Minecraft website. It's usually the first result, so go ahead and click that. We're going to start by playing the demo version first, and then we'll move on to the full version later. Once you're on the site, download the Minecraft launcher for Mac. After the download is done, just open the launcher file. It'll update itself for a bit, and once it's ready, the launcher will open automatically. Now here's where you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you can go ahead and try out the demo version. To get that, you'll need to pay $29.99. Just click on checkout, and yep, you'll need to sign in again for security. Now for the payment, if you have a debit card, you can use that. But I'm going to select UPI, which is super quick and easy. Just enter your UPI details and complete the payment. Alright, my payment is successful. And that's it. Now you can jump into the full Minecraft experience and enjoy the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and gaming content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.